Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net Foodish. Ordar mapi, minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Ka Bharatiya Janata Party haka arpo arterek urisau arjarpsau kalapan bana ya kerteng jong MDC katura u Bernard and Marak ban penyekon ya ke election Shiteng Samoi na Gambegre constituency kaban salong haka khalai terek unai wieng arjarpsau upa elhek ubalong unong yalam jongga BJP bat menteri ka sorkar jala haka jengkaran bat kilat pathai khubor ulai thu ba ka jengkhon jongga BJP haka election Shiteng Samoi kalong namar baka Gambegre kalalong kabasadian bha habaro kiliang.
Party High Command through the Meghalaya Prabhari in charge of BJP has informed me and informed the State President Mr. Rikmanji Momin that the BJP is going to fill up and contest for this Gambegre by-elections. Any candidate who is contesting the election, they have confidence to win. That is election. I'm not talking only BJP. Every candidate who is contesting, with that intention only, they are going to win the election. Otherwise, nobody will just waste your time, waste your energy, waste of your resources without, winning the seats. So everybody are ready. They are ready to also all the same perspective only for the winning the seats. It's an easy task for anybody, not only for BJP. You talk to any political party or any candidate, it's not easy task. Everybody has to face the election, yes. See, we have received only one application, but they were feeling that others also will be filing their view. But now they have already zeroed down to Bernard and Marak only to contest for this Gambegre by-election. In Sabina, we have so many national leaders. So we have the state leader also. So the state leader also will go, not only the elected representative, those are not elected representative also are the star campaigner. They all will go and will campaign their campaign and to make our candidate win the election. Tomorrow is filing the nominations.
Day after tomorrow, okay.
Because I have some important commitment and engagement already been committed. Let's see if the time permit. Definitely, I wish that I will join for the filing of nominations. Development is a main agenda, main focus for the election. It is lacking of development. BJP want to pitch in to want to bring the Gambegre also at par with the rest of other constituencies. For the development, BJP has done not only development in Meghalaya for the entire country. So the development which is done by the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji of the NDA government is immensely appreciated by all.